If you require a historic call reporting service without the need for real-time statistics, then Akixi Lite is the perfect solution for your business. Let's jump in and take a look at the benefits. First up, you can view the history of every call that has happened in your business. By analysing your completed calls, you can start to understand how many calls typically come into your business every day. At a glance, you can see which groups calls are coming into, which of your staff are handling these calls, and even which calls have been missed. With metrics such as talk time and time on hold, you can find out how much time your staff are spending handling calls. Have you ever wondered how long your customers have to wait on the phone before their inquiry is finally answered? With the ability to see the journey of each call from beginning to end, you can see how long customers are waiting whilst calls are diverted through different departments in the business. Where do the longest delays occur? With all of this data, you can identify areas for improvement, which in turn will improve your customer experience. Now, digging into those calls a bit further, you can identify trends on those calls. Make use of the interval reports to spot typical call patterns. You can analyse call trends by half hour, day, week, and month. Find out the days of times you receive the heaviest influx of calls into your business. Are these busy times being handled effectively? Are your staff wrapped up in meetings or out for lunch during those critical times? You can also use these trend analysis reports to see how many calls you're missing outside of business hours. Use this data to help make your crucial business decisions, making sure that you're always on hand to support your customers when they're trying to reach you. Next up is measuring customer engagement, and this one is absolute gold. I used it in my own business all the time. See which numbers are calling into your business the most often. From this information, you can begin to find out which of your customers require the most assistance over the phone. You can then measure how much time your employees are taking out of their day to support these customers. And then with this insight, you can begin to focus on providing extra resources dedicated to these customers. This will free up the flexibility of the team, allowing your staff to manage all of the other communication also going on within your business. Keep up to date with the latest Akixi news and information at akixi.com, across the Akixi social channels, and links will be in the description for all of those.